I decided to record this video after I was already starting doing a transom here, removing all that wood, and now we're gonna use liquid transom material. It's called carbon core, and fix this little baby. I'm gonna show you a tour of the boat. Here you don't have to cut anything. You just gotta remove this wood. Drill it first. You don't really have to drill too much because it's pretty bad. As you can see, like, you know, the drilling is like ain't gonna be too hard to drill these things, you know. We're gonna drill all of that, and we will mix the liquid and dump it in there. We'll press it afterwards and wait 2 hours, and it's supposed to be hotter as a rock after we do that. Well, as you can see, the boat is done already. I wish I recorded the whole process, but it was nighttime, it was cold, and my light was out of batteries, and you know, a bunch of excuses that I can make. But this is what I use. This is the product right here. It comes in this can when you order from them. Shipping is like $80. This thing is like $200. Between this and the bottle, it's like a hardener for this product. As you can see, very light product, very hard. Like this little parts you can break a little bit, but something thicker like this, you'd never break it. See? And so when it's this thick like this, you know, pretty hard. Like, I already tested the boat and it feels pretty good. Nothing moves. I'll put a video in the back of this video of the boat running. But see, real hard. Like, after it gets a little bit thick, forget about breaking this thing. This match it with the hammer and everything. I haven't done it. But the video of the product itself, this matching with the hammer and everything, and seems to be fine. It's really hard on my boat. The final product is what I was expecting. I was expecting that it was like that, and it's perfect. It doesn't move like the transom. It's like a steel, you know, back there. See this piece right here? There's no way you can break. So that's it. Good product, real good product. I'm not getting paid for this. It's my first video ever. I don't have no viewers. I'm gonna monetize anything. Real good product. Carbon core. Here I have what I used to introduce the liquid in the transom. See, that crack is covered and there's no way you can remove that thing from there. Hard like a steel. So, real good product, real good investment, cheap. $300 doesn't compare to other material you have to buy if you do it a different way. Plus, it's a lot easier than just cutting all that fiberglass, you know. With this, you don't have to cut anything. It's just straight, like removing wood and and just drop in this liquid. Make sure everything is clean, and you can use a vacuum to remove whatever leftovers you got in there from drilling. It's a little bit hard sometimes to drill it. And remove everything. In 2 hours, it will be real hard. But if you want to put it in the water, you have to wait 24 hours at least. But the total cure time is 30 days. I left this boat in here for about 20 days before I used it the first time. But they say after 24 hours you can put it in the water, and I believe so, because it was real hard. And then the next day was already cold after the 24 hours, so that means the material was already like done drying. And so it gets real hot at first. Don't get scared if you see it being hot, but after it's cold, it's ready to use, I believe. That's what they say. I like to wait. I waited like 20 days. I was doing all the stuff to the boat and fixing something else. But yeah, you can use the boat like probably 2 days after you do it. To be safe, you can start using the boat.